Hi everyone! In this video, I want to share my experience how I made this built-in wardrobe by myself. Also would like to highlight that I am not a professional furniture maker, so if you know how it can be done better, please feel free to leave your comment. Materials for the wardrobe I ordered from the local hardware store, where they cut it to my dimensions. I assembled the cabinets using conformat screws, having previously marked and drilled holes for them. In order to make the assembly easy, I used Kona clamps. I used them for the first time and was generally satisfied. They really make the assembly easy. The back wall of the cabinets I made from fiberboard and fastened it with small nails. I assembled the other cabinets using the same method. The entire wardrobe consists of 3 cabinets measuring 60 by 200 centimeters and 3 top cabinets measuring 60 by 60 centimeters. The interphone and light switch need to be moved. I disconnect, extend the wires and reconnect in a new place. then I putty, first with gypsum plaster and then with finishing putty in 2 layers. When it has dried, I sand, prime and paint. Behind one of the cabinets, I have an electric panel with circuit breakers. To make it accessible, I marked and cut a hole in the back wall of the cabinet. To make sure the cabinets stand securely in place, I will attach them to the wall. For this, I will use these corner brackets. I have them left over from IKEA cabinets when I was assembling the kitchen island. I didn't need them there, but for this wardrobe, they are just what I need. To adapt them to my cabinets, I cut holes in the back wall of the cabinets and attach them in such a way where they are flush with the back wall of the cabinet. In total, I used 6 of these corner brackets, 2 for each cabinet. I also screw the cabinets together using these furniture ties. And the corner brackets came with these plastic trims. I drill holes for the hinges and installed the doors. I used 4 hinges for the large doors and 2 for the small ones. I mark and drill holes for the pins to which the shelves will be attached. And then I make a recess equal to the thickness of the pins in the shells themselves. A closet rod will be attached to the base of one of the shelves. To attach it, I use special brackets like this. there will be false panels on the sides. For this, I install wooden slats to which the false panels will be attached. The false panels I made from MDF, the same material as doors. I cut them to the size I need and round the edges with a router. Using double-sided tape, I attach the panels to the wooden slats. This makes it easy to set the gaps. Later, I remove the double-sided tape and assemble the structure with glue and screws. Then I paint the edges, and after the paint has dried, I installed everything in its place. The final step is installing door handles. And the final result. All the best and see you in new videos.